Thermage is expensive, and one of the most common questions I get in clinic is, Doctor, is it actually worth the money? Let me tell you what most marketing brochures don't. I'm Dr. Chai Ling, I'm an aesthetic doctor, and this channel is about truth-based, non-sponsored education, especially when treatments cost a lot and expectations run high. What Thermage actually does. Thermage uses radio frequency energy to heat the dermis, the collagen-rich layer of the skin. This leads to immediate collagen contraction, gradual collagen remodeling over months. Thermage improves skin firmness, texture, and tightness. What it does not do, it does not lift heavy jowls, and it does not remove excess skin. It also does not replace surgery. Who Thermage is actually worth it for? Thermage tends to be worth the money if you are typically in your late 30s to early 50s, have mild to moderate skin laxity, are more concerned about skin quality than lifting. It works beautifully for crepey or thinning skin, early laxity, and loss of firmness and elasticity. It's less impressive if you have heavy jowls, you expect visible lifting like surgical facelift, or if you want instant or dramatic change. What doctors don't always say. Thermage results are subtle. If you expect people to ask, what did you do? Then you will be disappointed. If you expect people to say, you look well rested, or wow, your skin looks good, that's where Thermage shines. Now, very quick interruption. If you appreciate doctors being honest about expensive treatments, please like and subscribe. Not because I'm fishing for compliments, but because YouTube then sends this to people before they spend money they may regret. So preventive medicine, but for the algorithm. Okay, back to Thermage. Now, why some people say Thermage didn't work? Most disappointment comes from the wrong indication being treated, unrealistic expectations, other aging factors being ignored. Remember, aging is multi-layered. You have your muscle changes, you have volume loss, you also have skin hydration. Lastly, structural support, like bony changes. Thermage treats skin quality. It does not address everything. Can Thermage be combined with other treatments? Yes, and this is often where Thermage works best. It is commonly combined with our therapy for deeper structural support, injectables for volume replacement, skin boosters for hydration and glow. Now, one machine rarely solves a multi-layered aging process. Commonly asked questions: how do I make Thermage results last longer? Now, to prolong results, focus on support and maintenance. What helps? Combining Thermage with other appropriate treatments. Consistent sun protection, evidence-based anti-aging skincare, adequate protein intake and good nutrition, good sleep and stress management. Now, Thermage stimulates collagen. Your lifestyle determines how long you keep this collagen. What makes results disappear faster? Well, results may appear to fade faster with sudden or significant weight loss, aggressive dieting, or endurance training. Nowadays, weight loss medications such as your GLP-1 drugs, ongoing sun damage, progressive volume loss when it's untreated, and often the collagen tightening is still present, but other aging factors have simply progressed. The honest verdict: is Thermage worth the money? For the right patient with the right expectations, yes. For the wrong indication or unrealistic goals, no. If this helped you think more clearly, like and subscribe. Better decisions age better than any device.